How well can Cougartron machines clean stainless MIG welds? Keep watching and I'll show you how. Hi, my name's Tom and welcome to another episode of Ask Cougartron. In this episode we'll see just how well Cougartron machines can clean stainless MIG welds. Due to process simplicity, MIG welding is favoured by industry professionals. Although this process is simple and effective, it sometimes produces unattractive welds and contamination issues. Compared to TIG welds, they are much more challenging to clean and passivate. Among other issues, MIG welding is often performed at a higher temperature, so you can get severe discoloration, burns, rust, and sometimes porosity. So you'll need an extra powerful machine to clean them and stop corrosion reappearing. So how well can Cougartron machines clean stainless MIG welds? Well, actually, really well, but you need to choose the right machine for the job. 2 out of 5 Cougartron machines are capable of cleaning MIG welds effectively. The Pro Plus and the Inox Fury. When it comes to heavier duty applications, only the Inox Fury will do the job. In fact, this machine is built for heavy duty tasks on larger stainless steel welds and surfaces. As you can see, by utilising the triple brush function, you can clean a large surface area quickly and efficiently. If you need help with cleaning MIG welds, please contact us, we're always happy to help. So that's it, thanks for watching, see you next time.